Hello, my name is Barry Keith. I teach biology at Johnston Community College, and I'm here to show you the eScience Lab Kit that you will have to purchase if you are taking any of the online or hybrid science courses at Johnston Community College, including the class that I'm teaching, Bio 110, Principles of Biology. And for each of the different sections, depending on what class you'll take, you will purchase a different version of this lab kit. But many of the same items are shared in all of the sections, so I hope that this introduction to the lab kit will be useful for any class that you're taking, any biology class that you're taking. You'll notice that here's the box. Here's the box, and on the front of the box there is the title, the company name, eScience, and there's a phone number and also the website. When you open the box, and this is extremely important, inside the top is the kit code. Any of the online activities that we have, after you register for your class, you will register with the eScience company and use this kit code to do so. So don't throw the box, don't throw the top away. I've taken all of the items in this box out and put them on this table, and we're going to look at them briefly in a moment. But first I'd like to show three other items that came with this. There is a manual that just shows some brief information about your lab kit, contact information for eScience, and of value also. So don't throw this away. Read this as soon as you can. Importantly, there is a packing list. And the reason that I've got the packing list out is to show you that you can go through this list, check off items as you see them. For example, this is a bottle of sodium chloride. And if you look on the packing list, you'll see sodium chloride. Check that off, put that back in the box, and move on to the next item. Importantly also is this CD that has your lab manual on it. You will absolutely need this to do all of the experiments. As an alternative, you can find the lab manual online, but you also have to register with eScience using the kit code that we have. And be aware that if you do contact eScience, sometimes the phone will be busy, and sometimes it may take a day or two to get back into contact with the eScience representatives. But they are, for the most part, very good about helping students in a timely fashion. And we have had good success with this company, and they're usually very glad and they're very happy to help you with any questions that you have. Remember that this is your lab manual, which you can also find online. This is your packing list that you should use as soon as possible once you get the kit. Remember, when you get to order this kit, you go to the bookstore and you'll purchase your textbook, and also you will purchase a kit card, a coupon, not the lab kit itself. You will not buy this box at the bookstore. You will then, after you buy the kit coupon, you will email eScience according to the email address. Look at eScience online if you just want to visit. You'll purchase the kit coupon, email eScience with the mailing address and the kit and the mailing address and the code that's on your coupon, and within less than a week you will receive this at the mailing address that's given to you. So you don't pick up the box at the bookstore. The eScience company mails you this box to the address you provide. You can also email the bookstore. There is an email online ordering feature that the bookstore provides, and you can ask them via email to purchase, to help you purchase the kit card. An example of some of the items that come with your lab kit. I've opened this one box, And I see that there's a box of gloves, and this is an absorbent. These are absorbent pads that you could use. Probably an apron. This is an apron that you can wear. So there are, for the large part, these are disposable. Some of these items you can keep, but you could check these off of your lab kit item list. Let's see. Also, we have small bottles packed in their own box. This says DNA extraction solution, so it'll be up to you to go through these bottles one at a time, check them off your list, and make sure that you have everything. Now, what if you don't have an item? If you can't find the item in your list, either email or telephone eScience, and they will send you the item for free. There's no cost for replacement items. It's important, I think, that you go through this item list thoroughly as soon as you get this lab kit. Probably won't take you 30 minutes. You might ask someone to help you do it to make it go a little bit easier. Let me emphasize that your lab manual is on this CD. There is another file on this CD, and it's a video for lab safety. And don't be confused if you see the video and you think that's the only thing on this CD. No, there are two files. There's a video for lab safety, and then extremely importantly, there is your lab manual. And remember, you can also access your lab manual online if you register with eScience using the kit code that you have. Let's see, just sort of randomly going through some other items. Some items that you may recognize. You have safety glasses that you can use. And there are other items, and you'll notice that in the bags, these individual bags, for the most part, have the name of the laboratory, the title of the laboratory that is the same title as you'll find in your lab manual. So you can go, instead of having to search for all the different items in different areas, this one, for example, says Enzymatic Activity Lab, and it tells you what's in it: balloons, empty bottles, sprays, yeast. And therefore, you've got both living material, such as yeast. There are no skeletons. There are no preserved animals in this particular kit, but if you take anatomy and physiology, you probably will have a skeleton, and you probably will have a preserved animal for dissection, but not in Bio 110. We don't do that. Here's a test tube rack and test tubes, graduated cylinders, beakers. You have a thermometer that you can use, glass, so be careful. All of these items are in metric, so you'll learn how to use the metric system. Here's a nice metric ruler that is supplied for you. So some of these items you can keep for years to come.